Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe guys. Maglalaro ko ngayon ng Rush Extreme guys. Ayan. Rush Extreme. Palit muna tayo ng damit guys. Palitan muna natin siya ng ng damit para maiba naman. Para maiba-iba. Ayan. Yan, pinalitan ko na siya. Okay, ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, nagsimula tayo sa scooter guys. Scooter moment muna tayo. Oops. Up. Oh my goodness. Nako. Muntik na ako dun. Muntik na ako dun. Oh my God. May bus guys, may bus. Nako, baka mabangga ko ng sasakyan. Oops. May sasakyan. Ayan guys. Ano kaya yung natin ngayon? Yung level. Op. Mananalo kaya ako? Kailangan ko siyang maabutan guys. Kailangan ko siyang maabutan. Oops. Excuse me, padaan. Oops, sorry. Sabi ko, excuse me. Ayan, guys. Ayun, guys. Yan. Nakuha natin yung first place, guys. Ayan siya. Okay. Mag-ano muna tayo, guys. Yung upgrade ng bicycle, guys. Baka mag-bicycle tayo ngayon. Okay, bike nga. Simula na. Excuse me. Yan guys. Op. Dahan. Oh, sorry. It's a part of the game. Oop. Change to scooter guys. Bicycle to scooter. Oops. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, bicycle ulit tayo guys. Bicycle, naku naman, habol. Oh my God, habol. Yan guys, mahabol kaya natin to siya guys. More first place pa rin kaya ako. Okay. Oops. Oh my. Oh. Naku naman, yes. First place. Ooh, yay. First place guys. Ayan, mag-start naman tayo guys. Sa scooter. Okay, nakadalawang first place na tayo. Nakadalawang first place. Up. Muntik ko. Dumaan sa maling daan, pero buti na lang hindi sumimplang. Dumaan. Naku. Up. Buti nakita ko yung bus. Sorry, excuse me. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Maganda pa yung takbo. Okay, huwag kang dumikit sa akin, please. Ayan, may dalawa pa akong habulin, guys. Ako naman. Oops. Okay. Oh my God. Malapit lang. Oh. Muntik na ako. Kinakabahan ako. Baka ayan, okay. Nalampasan natin siya, guys. Nalampasan ko siya, guys. Okay. Careful! Baka sumabit tayo. Ayan. Okay. Nakikita ko ng finish line, guys. Finish line. Oh, wow. Ayan, guys. First place, guys. Nakapangatlong first place na tayo, guys. Mag-start muna tayo sa bicycle ulit. Okay? Pero ibang place na naman to, guys. Naku, napaka-challenge. Oops, umiikot siya, guys. Oh my God. Sorry. Oops. O, diba? Simplang. Umiikot siya, guys. Oh my God. Diba? Nasimplang na. Sumimplang din. Okay, 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 okay. Ayan pa, ayan pa. Uy, buti na lang naiwasan. Oh my God. Dito tayo sa gilid pag mayroon yan. Oh, oof. Okay. Okay, kaya natin yan. Kaya natin humabol. Oh, it's a plan. It's a plan. Kaya natin habulin, guys. Kaya natin habulin. Wow, nahabol ko pa, guys. First place, guys. Ayan. Start tayo sa scooter ulit, guys. So, continue lang yung games natin, guys. Up. Tingnan natin kung ma-first place tayo. Oh, scooter to bicycle. Scooter to bicycle, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Huwag kang umarang. Oh, lip. Okay, okay. Scooter again. Oh my God. Scooter. Scooter. Op, 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 op. Okay, sorry. Ayan, ayan. Ayan, di ko na siya nabutan, guys. So, sige. Tuloy pa rin tayo. Change na naman tayo sa bicycle, guys. Okay. Kita tayo sa finish line. Oh my God, oh my God. Mahabol ko pa kaya ito? Oh, it's a joker mouth. It's a joker mouth. Open, open. Oh my goodness, Joker. You didn't open your mouth. Okay. Okay, what's happening now? Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's a part of a game. It's a part of a game, guys. Ayan, finish line, guys. Okay, if I come again in the first place. Yes. I'm a first place again, guys. Okay, start ulit tayo sa bicycle, guys. Ayan. Start. Turn. Oh my God. What is this? What is this? What is this in a fire? Uy, nako. So, umaapoy na lava. Oh, may dragon, guys. May dragon. Oh my God. Wag. Nako. Wag. Okay. Okay. Go. Oh my God. Ayan, may dragon, guys. May dragon. Oops. Huwag kang dumikit sa akin, please. Huwag dikit. Huwag kang dumikit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Good. Ganda yung bagsak natin. Oh, I'm sorry. Hindi ko siya ulit. Oh my God. Umaapoy. Oh, buti na lang. Hindi ako natamaan nun. Hindi na ako natamaan. Oops. Okay. Kaya mo yan. Okay. Wow. Please, wow. Okay, guys. In first place pa rin tayo, guys. Okay. Mag-ano muna tayo, guys, ng bicycle ulit. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Huwag kang didikit. Ayaw kitang matamaan. Oops. Okay. Oh, skateboard. Oh, oops. Ano yun? May sasakyan ba dito? Uy, no. May mga guys. May cargo. May cargo na bumabagsak. Okay, bike ulit tayo, guys. Ayan. Okay, oops, hindi ko nakasalanan yun. Ang bilis ng takbo mo. Hindi ako nakadaan. Okay, kaya ko. Okay, yes, guys. Maintain ang first place, guys. Ayan, mag-start tayo. Uy, Scooter, guys. Kanina skateboard yun and bicycle and now scooter. Oh my God. Oops. Up. Nabangga ako doon guys, buti. Oops, may sasakyan, may sasakyan. Ay. See? Oh my God. O, diba? Diba? Okay guys, tingnan natin kung makahabol tayo guys sa ilang bagsak natin. Tingnan natin kung mahabol natin to. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Run. Okay, okay. Oh, may scooter sa ganyan. Okay. Okay. Oops. Naku. Naku. Kaya natin pang-abutin yung first place, guys. Ayan na, guys. Ayan na, guys. Oh. No. 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 Okay. Third place, guys. Third place. It's okay. Ayan, scooter ulit, guys. Okay lang yun. Third place tayo, guys. Bawi tayo ngayon. Kailangan tayo bumawi. Oh! Paano makabawi? Simplang na. Oh my God, may tumatakbo na mga dinosaur. Okay. Excuse me. Padaan. Padaan ako naman. May tumatakbo na dinosaurs. Nasa Jurassic Park ba? Oh! Nasa Jurassic World. Oh my God. Oh, diba? Natamaan ako ng ano niya. Oh. Okay. Nung paa ng dinosaur na yun, nasa Jurassic World ata kami. Okay, skateboard. So, ayan, skateboard na naman kami. Oh, uy, buti na lang talaga. Buti na lang. Okay. Naka third place pa rin ako, guys. It's okay. Ayan, skateboard tayo. Ulit. No, scooter. Okay, mag-scooter tayo. Scooter. Sana makabawi ako dito. Makabawi. Oh. Bumangga. Sige, okay lang yan. Tuloy pa rin. Okay. Tuloy mo lang. Oops, tama na yan. Tumbling ng tumbling eh. Baka mamaya, ibang tumbling na yan eh, you know? Okay, kailangan nating umabol. Op! So. Okay. Asan na sila? So, nahuli ba? No, I'm on second place, guys. Nasa number 2 ako. So, isa lang yung hinahabol ko. Yun siya. Okay, I see you. Oh, okay. Okay, not bad. Second place. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.